Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jennese. Today's video is going to be on how I do my gel manicure at home for anybody who's wanting to do their nails at home and not spend money, honestly, or just doesn't have the time. This is the video for you. So if you want to see how I do my gel manicure at home, please keep watching. So I'm starting off with clean buffed nails. I trimmed them, I pushed my cuticles back, I did all that normal manicure cleanup stuff, and I'm going to use these cosmetic squares. They're just from Publix. You can get them at any store, any grocery store, it doesn't matter. And I'm actually going to remove any excess dirt or oil that could still be lying on my base with this gelish nail surface cleanser. It's just the first step of any gel manicure, just cleaning off your base. Next, I'm going to use the Sensation Nail Gel Primer. I received this from a friend, so if I find it, I will link it down below. But basically, you're just going to prime your base. It's kind of like doing your makeup, which is pretty funny. But we're going to put on a primer, foundation, top it off, set it, I guess you can say. We're going to do basically all those same steps with a gel manicure too. The next few steps are going to come out of this little kit that I got from Amazon. The pH bond is technically like the primer, but I'm going to use the foundation, top it off, and nourish for the remaining steps of the gel manicure. First step, I'm going to use the foundation. This is actually like the clear gel coat that's going to go before your actual gel color. The foundation step is helpful. I notice when I do a regular polish manicure, when you're trying to take off that manicure afterwards and that color still stays, it's best to do a clear coat. So it's pretty much the same thing with the gel manicure. You want to put a foundation before you put any color on your nails. This is the UV LED lamp that I use for my gel manicures. It has a 30-second setting and a 60-second setting. I normally just go for the 60-second setting. Normally I only use the 30 seconds if I'm retouching a mistake or anything that I did. So you want to do one set of 60 seconds on the foundation, and then you can start putting on your color. I found these mini polishes on Amazon as well. They're the Gel Blend Soak Off Nail Gels. You just want to be sure that whenever you're doing gel manicures, it's a soak off nail gel. Those are the ones that will work. This is the color I'm going to be using. It's like a pinky mauve. The number's 349, but it comes in the set of 5 from Amazon. It's a pinky mauve. I like it for my everyday nail polish. It's good for work. It stays on through the weekends. My gel manicure normally lasts 2 weeks unless I pick on it or I mess with it or anything and I have to redo it. But for the most part, it'll last for 2 weeks or more. When you're applying your first color, you want to be sure that you're doing a super thin layer. It's best to do multiple sets of very thin layers because if not, you'll get bubbles in your gel manicure. So I'm doing a super thin layer. You probably won't even see it the first time, but you will start seeing the color once you do your second coat. I'm going to insert my hands for another 60 seconds, just one time, and then I'm going to start applying my second coat of colored polish. Once that second coat of polish is done for the 60 seconds, I'm then going to apply this gelish Top It Off Soak Off Sealer. This is the sealer that you're going to apply over. It's a top coat, but you also have to seal it with acetone at the end. So that's what I'm going to do here. The top coat is the only step that I do twice, so I will put it in the UV light. I will do the first round of 60 seconds and then I will go ahead and remove it and put it back into the light for another 60 seconds just to make sure that it's completely sealed with the color. From the same brand, Gelish, I use this artificial nail remover, the acetone, to completely finish my gel manicure. You just basically have to really rub it in to your nails and make sure that your nails are not sticking together. That's how you know that they're completely done. And I also use this acetone nail remover when I'm trying to take off my previous gel polish before starting a new one. I just take little squares of aluminum foil, these same cotton rounds, and I will remove my previous gel polish before starting a new one. The last step that also is from Gelish, it comes from the set, is the Nourish Cuticle Oil. This is essential, especially for me. I have really dry hands, which also comes with really dry cuticles, so it's very important to keep your hands and your cuticles very moisturized. It actually helps with the longevity of your nails when your nails are super moisturized. So that's how I do my gel manicure, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Everything again will be linked down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!